I'm going to tell you exactly why gold is super bullish above $4,650 right now, and that could potentially be a floor on gold. And silver, in the same exact sense, is going to be bullish above $77. And honestly, is it even going to retest $77? Well, you're about to find that out in this video, but silver is actually extremely bullish. If you were here yesterday, you saw exactly what happened with silver, was exactly what we said was potentially going to happen. We're still waiting for that same thing to happen in gold, but obviously inside of NORDIC Alpha, we already took the trades, we already made money off of it earlier this week, and now we're just waiting to get in on our next trades that we already have set up. And if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader inside of metals markets, the S&P, equities, whatever you want, crypto. We do it inside of NORDIC Alpha. And obviously, yesterday we were talking about very key and critical levels inside of both gold and silver, where there was just going to be like this massive move. It did hit on silver. It has not hit on gold yet, but it is banging on it on gold. We're going to get into the charts. I'm going to show you exactly where gold and silver is likely to go and the levels that we need to uphold in order for it to go there. Now, first and foremost, we're going to just start off with silver. I know I rarely do this, but this is the one. This thing is up 6%, 2 days in a row. It went absolutely parabolic, straight up, big move, elevator style, and absolutely crushed it. What was the level that we were talking about yesterday if you were on this video? That level was right here. We were talking about it right here, and we said, look, as soon as we get through here, there was a nice little order block set here. Said, look, as soon as we get through here, there is no resistance up until about $82.50. And guess what we hit? $82.40, almost exactly, okay? $82.38.5, as you can see right there. Now, right up to the peaks and right up to the order blocks that it rejected from. Absolutely insane trade. Absolutely crushed it and killed it. Now, why do I think that silver is bullish, technically above $80, but as long as it stays above $77 right now, it is mega bullish and has the ability to go to not only $85, but then boom, straight up to 95 bucks. I'm going to show you right now. First off, the Alpha Intelligence order blocks suite tells me that the 1 hour order block right here, from $80.01 to $80.65 is going to be a key critical area of support. These order blocks hold up a lot of times. This thing has 1.6 thousand contracts worth of volume on it. That's not small volume. That's big volume on the silver futures, okay? Just in a 1 hour candle, okay? Second to that, if we come down here, the Alpha Intelligence Naked VWAP Suite tells me that we are going to have support right at $76.50 all the way up to $77. Why? Because we have a naked daily VWAP at $77, okay? That is an institutional level where unfinished business happened, and if you get down to that level, it is likely that you are going to catch a bounce from that. Second to that, you have support under that because you have your monthly VWAP at $76.53 and your weekly VWAP at $76.75. All this stuff is plotted on the chart for me. I do not have to do anything in order to have this stuff on my chart except for just load my chart because I have the indicators right here. It does it all for me. Now, we also have an order block set right here with, again, 1.6K in cumulative volume, 30-minute and 45-minute order blocks. There is no mitigation, meaning these have never been retested, and there is inducement times 5 on these order blocks if you add it up, 2 and 3, okay? That is going to be a key level where you could catch a potential bounce. The price range, $77.58 to $77.89. And then guess what? You have another order block set just under it. They're 1 minute and 5 minute order blocks. They don't matter as much. So when I'm saying that this could be your floor right here, I mean, that's like your floor, right? And that's where your old highs are. This range right here where this order block set is. But this right here could be your floor. You go back and you look at the support that was built right here before, bang, it blasted down. Now that you broke that, look, you got a nice little cup and handle for the people that like to do their kindergarten drawings, and you could be blasting up. Where are you likely to go after you blast through this level right here and you get through this nice little order block? No problem. 85 bucks, you're coming right up to around here at the $85 range, and that is where we have the naked weekly VWAP and naked daily VWAP. that is going to be your level of resistance. And there's also a nice little order block set right here, if you look, and there's a couple of naked POCs right here, okay? Naked weekly POC, and then you've got an order block set. In between there and $95, if you get above $85 to $86, it's almost written in the stars you're coming up here to about $95 to where this 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and even this 1 hour order block is, as well as the naked daily POC that's right there at $95. You crack this level right here, my friends, you're gonna see a lot of what we just did right here. Boom, straight up move. You crack this, boom, you're probably gonna see a straight up move close to about $92 to $95. Let's talk about gold. Gold is in the same boat. It still has not cracked the level that we were talking about yesterday. We were talking about this level right here. All we gotta do is get right above it, bang, bang, boom, and we're coming most likely to about $4,850, right up in there, okay, in that range, okay? You've got about $4,820 to about $4,850, and then past that, you're looking to bring this up to about $5,000, up to that order block set. Why? Because there's not much in terms of resistance here. If you get through this naked monthly POC, this naked daily POC, right at $4,800, and then this naked daily VWAP, I mean, it's got a lot of volume on it, and this naked daily POC, it's got a little bit of volume on it right here. But if you get up above $4,850, or even $4,820 for that matter, it's kind of not a lot of resistance coming all the way up here to this 45 minute and this 1 hour order block that has 27,000 contracts on it, right? 0% mitigation. There's obviously going to be resistance here, but that's a pretty decent move up. That if just for cracking one level at about 48.50, not even 48.20-ish, right? Then past that, you're gonna be looking to bring it up to about $5,250. You got a little bit of resistance in between here and there, naked monthly POCs and things of that sort. But honestly, I'm gonna show you exactly why we have support down here, right? Now that you know, if we break the levels above us that we need to break, which is this level, and obviously this level here at about, you know, $4,820, right around here, I'm gonna show you why, right? We have support right here at about $46.50. So first and foremost, your POCs, which are your daily, monthly, and weekly POCs, are right here at $4,706. If you somehow, look at the volume on these things, 484,000, 75,000 contracts, 400,000 contracts. These are pending POCs, like these are live POCs, right? Now, if somehow you get through these, you have a naked daily VWAP with 140,000 contracts of volume. You also have your 30-minute, your 15-minute, and your 1 hour market structure lows right there. And everything from the 1 minute to the 1 hour is in an uptrend on gold. Say you somehow get down there, right? Guess what? You still have your live monthly VWAP with 484,000 in volume. You still have your live weekly VWAP with 400,000 in volume, and you still have your naked daily VWAP just under that. It was at about 46.87 right here, right before you get to the actual market structure lows, and that bad boy's got 141,000 contracts of volume on it. That is why I think that gold and silver are in a absolutely perfect position to have a floor and to keep pumping to the upside. Gold to $5,250 or so. Silver from 85 all the way up to $92 to $95 relatively quickly. If you believe me, great. If you don't, maybe go watch my video yesterday where I talked about the exact level on silver and exactly where it was gonna go after that. Then you can believe me, right? If you want my actionable trade ideas, you know where to get them. Get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is my private VIP trading academy. It pays for itself. Do whatever you want to do. It's the first link in the description, and it's a card under this video. I will see you all soon, everybody. Have a good day. Peace.